So today I'm going to show you how to make a face mask using things you can find around your house. So here I found a paper towel and a cotton towel. You do not want to use any athletic wear like polyester because the virus has been shown to stay on those for up to 24 hours. So I'm going to start with the cotton towel, and ideally you want to cut it into a rectangular shape, not necessarily so long, and then you'll do a few folds. You want to fold the bottom lip up, top lip down, then put the rubber bands through both sides. Until they're about the width of your face. Then fold the sides in and pull the rubber bands around your ears. It is important to note that you want to remove the face mask using the rubber bands and not touching the front, because that is where potential contamination is. Optionally, you can staple these down so the rubber bands do not come loose. And you can use any elastic material. You don't have to necessarily use rubber bands. Each of these will be one-time use. If you're using a cotton towel, then you can wash it and then reuse it again. However, if you're using a paper towel, please don't wash it. Just throw it away. And here I'll be showing you the paper towel. It's the same fold where you just do the bottom, the top, pull the rubber bands through, fold the outsides in, and then pull the rubber bands around your ears. You want to be covering both your mouth and your nose because that is where the airways are, and that is where you could potentially infect other people. You can also use a face mask using a cloth t-shirt by cutting along the bottom. So you basically cut along a straight line all the way down. So you want the height of the cloth to be enough to cover both your mouth and your nose. So I went ahead and cut out the bottom of the t-shirt. And I also created a piece of paper to show you about how much to cut off from one side of the cloth. It doesn't have to be perfect, just needs to make sure that you have enough cloth on the side that you're not cutting off from to cover your nose and your mouth. So this is the result of the cut. As you can see, there are two dangling parts, and you can now begin to separate them using your scissors. So what you're left with is this mask where you can just wrap around your face, tie it at the top, tie it at the bottom, and it should stay steady. Again, this is cloth, so it's washable. One-time use before you wash it, and just as a disclaimer, these do not protect you from getting the virus. These are more so to prevent you from spreading any water droplets that may come out of your mouth or nose to prevent the spread of any of the disease that you may harbor.